Hello everyone, today on my table is unusual item. It's a Milwaukee air pump, and I have the problem with this one because this one is working but not building the pressure up, so I need to open it and check what's wrong with it. Yeah, now it's going apart, and we have the pressing part, the electronic part, battery here. Okay, and basically now we know that this one is not building pressure. That it works. So what can we start here? Okay, we know that the motor is good. Here's the pressure tube is good, so I think the problem will be in the compressor itself. I will try to take it out like that. Okay, I'm going to get this one out, and we have the Russian ring here. This one looks good. Yeah, the motor is working, so what we can suspect here is the pipe here, the tube, or the pump itself. And after some investigation, thanks for the Buy It Fix It channel video, and him had the problem that the O-ring had to fall out, and my ring here looks good, but what I see and I don't like is that the O-ring or the valve is damaged. It's overpressed, so maybe that can cause the problem. I don't know. It's not, it really looks good how it's supposed to be, and I need a replacement O-ring for this one, or I need to put this one right here in a groove. And yeah, that can be a reason that all the air goes out, so I need a O-ring of this side, and of course I need to go to the shop for this one. Okay, maybe before going to the shop I will try to put this O-ring on the housing here and get it installed and check. Maybe I will get some difference. If it will start to build the pressure, I will know that I need a O-ring for this one. And okay, how to put it back now, and I don't want to disconnect this one, so I will leave the controller with the LCD, just pressing everything, spinning it, and what now I will not feel anything, so I need to assemble this back and check how it works or not works. Still, both results are are good, because we will know if we need a new O-ring or not. Just getting the battery connector, battery terminal in place. Okay. The wires pushes it out. Yep. Okay, looks good. And we need to close the housing. One of the screw is out of the hole, so I will unscrew it and it will go out and the housing will be closed. Maybe this one, no? Okay. And this one can be pressed. Maybe I will put some screws here. Just a couple of screws to hold the housing. Okay, now we can try and test it. And what it shows here, shows 0.5. It's keeping as you can see, it's getting up, and of course it's not much of bars here. Now I take 2.5 like a car tire. Okay, that's good. So now it holds the pressure, so that means we need to change the O-ring for the valve and assemble it. And I think I will not make the video about that because it will be the same I did now, just the O-ring replacement. So now you know that if it's not getting the pressure upright, it can be the O-ring of the valve inside of it. And for now, just thank you for watching. Bye.